Okay, hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about a software that can help us in formatting our references. So when you make your thesis in the future, you don't want to waste so much time just writing your references, arranging the pages, the name of the journal, the title of the book, the name of the publisher, the year it was published, all those details. Okay, so we don't want to spend so much time uh, just formatting all those details. So the good thing here is that there is a software who can actually that can actually do that kind of work for us. So let us take advantage of this software so that we can be more efficient later on when we will be required to make our proposals, our thesis, our reports, etc. So this first video will be on this software called Zotero, which is a software to help us in formatting our references. So I would encourage you to download the software Zotero because this is free and this is how it looks like. I'll show you what it looks like so that you can download. Okay, so you go to the website of Zotero. This is what it looks like. Okay, it's there. Zotero.org. You go to their website. That's what it looks like. That's the interface of the website. And then you download here. You click this word here, the word download, and then you can have this software in your laptop. So I will demonstrate how we are going to use this software. So I will be sharing my screen. One moment, I will just be sharing my screen. So this is now my downloaded Zotero software. So in my Zotero software that's already installed in my computer, I have here several folders, and each folder here is representing a certain project. So for example, this is folder ASM paper 2021. So I have here materials related to a paper on artisanal and small scale mining ASM. And I have here all of this. These are actually journal articles. Most of the things here, most of these papers here are journal articles. And I transferred it to this repository here in Zotero, or to this folder that I have in the Zotero software. See that letter Z that stands for Zotero. So I am now going to open a paper. Let's pretend this is a paper, or okay, this is an introduction I am working on here. And I'm going to cite sources. For example, for this sentence, I would like to cite here Hilson. Okay. Now, I will click here this Zotero here in my Microsoft Word, and then I will click add citation. And I want to cite Hilson. So you can now see that automatically all the papers where Hilson is an author are being shown here. Ipakita sa Zotero. All those papers I have sa Zotero library na author si Hilson. So for example, I will cite Hilson 2017. Okay. I will be citing this one, Hilson 2017. So wait a few seconds. Let me just wait a few seconds. So there it is, Hilson et al. 2017. And if I go here to the end of the page, I also have to click this add bibliography. Let's see if Hilson is here at the end of the page. Hilson. Oh, the ara. So, Hilson. So Hilson is here. Hilson 2017 is here already cited at the end of the page. Hilson 2017. So automatically, I don't have to spend minutes just trying to figure out where do I put the name of the journal, where do I put the page, where do I put the URL. The software will do that for you. So another example, let's say, let's go back to the introduction. And let's say that I want to cite here, I want to cite, sample lang ni ha, okay? This is a paper on the satisfaction of students during the pandemic, okay? Pero the materials I am using here are from those materials related to ASM. Pero sample lang ni siya. This is not something real that I'm going to submit to my teacher. This is just for the sake of a demo on how to use Zotero. So I'm going to cite again. I'm going to Zotero again. And for this sentence, nakaroon ako, uy, murag ang isulti ani nga sentence, murag ang nagsulti ani nga statement kay si kuan ra bang nagstorya ani si Van Bock style. Okay, let us check whether Zotero, I have the paper of Van Bock style here in. Okay, so I have the paper Van Bock style here in my Zotero library. So this is the paper I'm referring to, Van Bock style in 2014. So I will click that, and then it's already here in the Zotero as a bar. I will just press enter, wait a few seconds. There it is. So Van Book style is already cited in my paper. Now let's check whether this author is in my references section. Gibutang ba pud sa Zotero kini siya nga author and the work he published sa akong references section. Tanaw na to be. O na gyud. Oh, yeah. Oh, so Van Book Style as 2014, the title of the article he published, the name of the journal is here, the volume number, the page number, and then the URL completo. So this software, Zotero, just saved me minutes, okay, in formatting my references. That's why I would encourage you to download the software in your laptop and then use it in your essays, in your proposals, in your requirements, in your classes next sem or next year, because it will help us to be efficient. It will save us time. So this software is called, sa ganing iyangan, ang iyangan is Zotero. Muna, this is my Zotero library here. So kamo pod, you also build your Zotero library depending on the project that you have. So you make a folder, one folder for this particular topic, and then siguro another subject that you have, you also make another folder for another subject that you have. And you then put your materials for that project into your folder. So for this folder, I have different papers here. This folder also is different. CBFM, this is another project of mine. So I also have a folder there, and um, these are my materials for the CBFM. And then I have this assignment. I have this class assignment. I also have a folder. I have this materials for this assignment. Para when I'm working on that assignment, tuuron na ako nga kana tanan ng materials are in that folder. And sayon na ako pagpangita sa mga authors, because I have my material, I have organized my materials into different folders according to different projects. So what is the name again of the software? The name of the software that we are learning today is called Zotero. Okay. So again, if you have not seen the website, this is the website. You go to the website, that one, you go to here, and then the website name is zotero.org, and then you just You download the software, and then you go to YouTube and you look for a tutorial on how to use Zotero, because there are many tutorials there on how you can use Zotero. So thank you for watching, and I have yeah, thank you for watching. I have another video coming up, and have a nice day. Thank you for watching.